Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix can't extend C drive with unallocated space in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now in my Windows 11 computer, I'm trying to extend C drive. Right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. Here, this is my C drive and I want to extend this volume with C drive. Now unallocating this volume, right click on the volume and click on delete volume and then click on yes. The volume is unallocated right now. Now I am trying to extend C drive with this unallocated space. Right click on C drive and look, the extend option is disabled. I cannot click on extend volume as because it's disabled. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Close disk management, insert, type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. In command prompt, first of all, you need to disable reagent C drive. Type reagent C / disable, hit enter. Windows RE is already disabled. Now type diskpart, hit enter. Entered into diskpart, type list disk, hit enter. My disk is disk 0. Type select disk 0. Select disk 0. Now hit enter. Now type list partition, hit enter. And look here, partition 4 is the recovery partition. And type here select partition 4, hit enter. Partition 4 is now selected. Now type detail partition, hit enter. And look, this is the partition ID and this one is the attribute. I need partition ID and attribute. Select it and copy. And now paste it to a text file. Minimize the text. Now type delete partition override. Delete partition override. Now hit enter. Diskpart successfully deleted the selected partition. Now go to disk management again. Right click on start menu. Click on disk management and look, the unallocated space is extended and you will not find the recovery partition here. Now you can easily extend the C drive. Right click on C drive, click on extend volume and then click on next, finish. And look, the C drive is extended, but now you need to create the recovery partition again. First of all, I need to make some space from this C drive to create the recovery partition. Right click on C drive, click on shrink, and for recovery partition I need only maximum 1 GB. That means 1024 MB. 1024 MB is good enough for recovery partition. Now click on shrink. Right click on unallocated area and click on new simple volume. Now click on next, next and finish. Now minimize disk management. In this part, now type list partition. Now hit enter. Look, this is the partition 4 1024 MB I have created earlier. Now type select partition 4, Select partition 4 and hit enter. Partition 4 is now the selected partition. Now type set id equal to and go to the file where you have copied this id and attribute. Now copy the id and paste it here. Now hit enter. Diskpart successfully set the partition id. Now type GPT attributes equal to and again copy the attributes and paste it here. Now hit enter and diskpart successfully assigned the attribute to the selected GPT partition. Now the partition is set as recovery partition. Go to disk management and look, the partition is now healthy recovery partition. Now type list volume, hit enter. Look, this one is the recovery partition. That's why you will find here star. That means right now I am in this volume and the volume letter is E, and you need to hide this volume letter. Now type select volume E, hit enter. Volume 2 is selected. Now type remove letter equal to E, hit enter. Diskpart successfully removed the drive letter or the mount point. That means user cannot access this recovery partition by using the drive letter. Now type exit to exit from the diskpart, and now in command prompt type reagentc slash enable. Now hit enter. The reagent operation successful. Now whole process is completed. This is the way to fix cannot print C drive on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.